Wow! This immaculate home will leave a lasting impression. The well-kept exterior will invite to an incredible interior with numerous luxury features. Beautiful hardwood floors leads you into a grand and open living area, kitchen with granite counters, tile flooring and backsplash, all kitchen appliances including a brand new top-line refrigerator, and plenty of large cabinets. The pantry/laundry is spacious and fully functional. Enjoy the privacy with a security fenced-in lawn space with electric awning for the perfect outside activities. HOA includes an amazing clubhouse with in-ground pool. Convenient to popular shopping destinations and medical facilities. Can't wait for you to see what this home has to offer.